Well, howdy everybody, and welcome to my channel here. My name is, I'm that Joe Brunk, and you may be thinking, who's Joe Brunk are you? There's a lot of you guys out there, and let's just get into more detail here. I'm that Joe Brunk that does a little bit of radio, a little play-by-play, do some football and some basketball. I'll have some behind-the-scenes footage about that, and touchdown, and I say that a lot, because Bowling Green's really good. What else about me? Well, I used to be a big fatty and not real happy, and then started working out and getting kind of skinny, and now I am happy. So yay! And that's good times. So another thing I can talk about, and other than that, just kind of a regular guy. I like my TV, even if I got to use an antenna to get it, or I like my sports, my football and my baseball and basketball, all that good stuff. And big fan of music. Like to listen to it. Like to learn to play. Trying to learn the keyboard. Maybe we'll get some videos about that, and movies too. See if I can draw here. Wait, no, don't want to do that. There we go. Film on the side. There we go. So we can talk about that kind of stuff. That'd be real cool. But one thing to be real serious about. I do believe that Jesus Christ, my personal Savior, died on the cross, rose again. He's a cool guy. We could talk about that too. But if you stuck here this long, cool. Check out these videos down below. Give them the old-fashioned thumbs up, and like and subscribe, and we'll have a good old time. And of course, follow me on the Twitter at @ThatJoeBrunk, and we'll catch you next time.